Parfait yogurt, all ready to eat, quick and easy. Another breakfast recipe you can add to your list. Today I'll be showing you a quick breakfast method. Parfait yogurt style. I will be using some plain vanilla yogurt, some fruits. You can choose the fruits you want to use. I will be using some granola, oats, honey with almonds, raspberry, strawberry, blueberry, and some grapes, and also some peanut butter. Protein is very important, and we should at least each day take in a certain amount of protein. So I added some granola at the bottom of my jar. Then I started adding some fruits. Then I will add another layer of yogurt, and then fruits, and then yogurt again. This you can make, and you can also lay it in your refrigerator for over 24 hours. It will not melt, it will be fine. The only thing is you don't want your granola to get a little soggy. After a workout for me each day, I either do a shake because I am not an early morning eater. I normally do a protein shake or some yogurt, which this is protein, and I am packing in additional protein in it. My peanut butter. For my fruits, I am not really a raspberry person, so I prefer to eat it with yogurt. You can also add your bananas, whatever fruit you choose, peach, whatever fruit you choose or you have on hand. You can also use oatmeal if you don't have the granola. You can use oatmeal also. If you want, you can add a little cinnamon to it. This is a quick, easy breakfast on the go. I just came in from the gym and I'm like, I'm gonna do this quick video to show you, because normally we go out and we purchase the same paraffin yogurt. It costs, however, it's cheaper to make your own. You can travel with it to work. You can add this to your children's lunch pack. You can be working while eating this, so there are so many other benefits to reducing spending outside. Strawberry, I love strawberry, and these were like really sweet. So add your fruits to it and make your little jar. You will see at the end, oh, beautiful this is looking so delicious, and it was delicious. For my peanut butter, because it's cold where I am, it is a little sleepy, so I had to use another spoon to take it off after I lifted it. This is just me, and I wanted to add peanut butter to mine to add additional protein for the day. Protein is good for us, and we should be taking in a certain amount per day. This is healthy. This is filling. I had this, and for 4 or 5 hours I did not need to consume anything because this filled me up. The blueberries were sweet. I think it's just the raspberry for me that has a different taste. So here is another breakfast, quick and easy meal. Sometimes I cheat, yes. Sometimes I'll cheat, and I'll be showing you a video where it's not really cheating, but I went outside of my regular shake in the morning or this paraffin yogurt and did something else, which I won't tell you. You will see it in a video. So here is another quick one. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you share my videos, like the videos if you like this video, leave a comment. Have a blessed day. Stay safe. See you all soon in my next video. Remember, failure is not an option. There you can also have your apple and your ripe banana on the side. It's up to you. This is lit. Quick and easy. Plain yogurt to make your little ingredients instead of going out there to purchase. Quick and easy. And you can add any fruit of your choice to this. So I do hope that you enjoyed this quick breakfast video. Stay tuned. See you soon.